1,000 followers, 0 skills, no dancing, no like dance routines, no memes, I'm not funny, just normal videos. And this is something that everyone can do. This is day 7 and we'll be talking about how I went ahead and got to 1,000 followers and all the tips and tricks that I'm gonna show you guys in this video that can really push you to that 1,000 follower plus mark. Because once you hit 1,000 followers, it's super easy to grow, especially on TikTok. You just sort of need that initial momentum. Once you got that initial momentum, people will just be following you and the algorithm will automatically push you. Before we get into today's episode, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, consulting course with me. The winners here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. So let's jump into the first clip. So this clip shows me hitting 900 plus followers, and I talk about the importance of going off volume and showing how like people who really put a lot of effort into every single TikTok upload, that one viral video won't get you a lot of followers. That's why this segment is super important.
Alright, so update guys, I've reached 908 followers. As you can see, I'm posting a lot of videos. Some of them flop and don't get many views, and some of them just go viral, like this one that has 2,000. This random Australia video. And what my realization is that you should go off volume. For example, this guy has this one video that went viral, has 6,700 likes. So that means that video probably is at, let's say, that's like 100,000 views. None of my videos got 100,000 views. So he has probably more views than all my videos combined. Yet, he only has 77 followers. So that just shows that you shouldn't be going off quality, trying to get that one viral video each time. You should just go off volume, because going off volume, you actually get more followers. And you know, followers is sort of the key metric when it comes to how successful you're on TikTok. So you go off volume and just post, do duets. I'm testing everything. Duets. I have this duet. If you have the iPhone, that's at 321, that's pretty good. Yeah, just go volume guys, because so many people where they have a viral video but they don't have many followers, just like that previous example. For example, him, he has that one video. This video, if it's this one has probably like, that's like 150 to 200,000 views.
Every photo.
He has less followers than me. That just shows you can't rely on one viral video. And as a result, there's no point pushing hard for one viral video. You should go ahead and just go off volume. But yeah, that's the update. Nearly at 1,000 guys.
As you can see, a bunch of like low quality videos is way better than a bunch of high quality videos, because I've been able to hit 1,000 with like not many viral videos. Whereas all these other people that I just showed you, even though they have videos that have like, if they have 15k likes, that means they have like 100k, 200k views, and I have no video near that, but they have way less followers than me. That's why quantity over quality, especially in an early phase of a new social media. So the next clip I'm going to show you is me hitting 999 followers. I'll show you guys all the video I've posted, the different viral videos I put. It's funny, like the video that I put in the least effort to ended up being the most viral one, which is some real estate video, just me filming myself in an auction, and that went viral for some reason. And on top of that, I'll show you guys how I draft a lot of videos. I'm posting so much. I'm going off volume here, like I'm posting several times every single day, and I just have drafts and drafts of content to be posted. So here's this segment.
All right, check this out. 999 followers. Nearly at 1,000, one more to go. Check out this real estate video, 15.4k views. Only 62 likes, which isn't too much, but still a lot of views. Yeah, haven't gotten another viral video recently. This duo video doing decent, not too well. This video did pretty well, outsourced to succeed.
You don't want to be uploading
212 likes, 3,600 views, very good. But yeah, that's the volume strategy, just keep posting. Like, check this out, I have 5 posts scheduled. This one might do well. It's a yeah, that's update 999.
Sort of following off last videos, so the tips, here's a bonus tip. If you have like 5 characters left in your caption, you want to utilize that whole 5 characters. And if you're like, you know, what's a 5 character word that I can use that's related to my video, this tutorial and sort of hack shows you exactly how to go ahead and do that.
So another tip when you guys have, say, 5 letters left and you're trying to find a 5-letter word to really max out on all the hashtags, what I like to do is I contribute 5-letter words. There's just a bunch of 5-letter words, quick. Usually I'm pretty easily, and I do this for like 3-letter, 2-letter, 4-letter. Try that. Perfect. Go ahead and post this. 1,182 followers. The growth has slowed down a lot. This went 7 viral, but no big viral video as of yet recently. Just because I've slowed down the amount of posting moving. So what I do is I've downloaded my content from the past 2-3 years on my iCloud. That'll give me like a lot more content. So this is definitely something that if you don't have skill, you can. Also, another tip, TikTok is all about watch time. So if you have like posts where there's a lot of words and people also read again and again and again, and there's a lot of text, it increases watch time and it increases your chance of your video viral. Spend time on your videos, that means your video has a high chance of going viral. So that's another tip.
Pretty good tip, right? That's how you go ahead and utilize every single space. Like each hashtag is like a boost, and you want to utilize as many boosts as you can. If you have like 250 characters, you want to use all 250 characters in your caption, and that's something people aren't doing, and they're just missing on a lot of free reach. So yeah, that's today's video. This is the second last episode. We have one more episode that's going to recap the whole journey, show you guys all the progress I've gotten, all my followers, my final recaps, the advantages of TikTok, how you can monetize with TikTok. So you definitely want to watch tomorrow's episode. But we're 7 days in, nothing but free value. This is something I definitely could have packaged into a course, but I wanted to give you guys as much value as possible, and I can only do that if I just give everything away completely for free without asking anything. But all I ask for you to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, hit the like button, help me with the algorithm. I really want to blow up my channel, and that's why I'm giving away so much value. And all I ask is for you to help me with those simple things that just take less than 5 seconds. Question of the day: how many followers do you now have on your TikTok account? Let me know. Is it 5, 10, 20, 50? Did your first video go viral? Let me know. Drop a comment below. I've been reading every single comment. I've been answering every single comment, so be sure to do that. But yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow in the last episode. Peace.